Hey guys, today I'm back with another video and I am doing a review on Dnma clothing. They are based outside of Lawrenceville, Georgia. You guys should definitely check them out. I actually have on one of their shirts here right now. This is the shirt. Guys, it is so cute. You can dress it up, dress it down. Today, right now, I have it on with a pencil skirt. Sometimes I wear it with a jeans. This is my go-to shirt. When I say it is so soft and comfortable, it is so soft and comfortable. I hit the owner up and I said, look, I need another one of these shirts. I just wanted a different color that you have, so you guys can customize your shirt to whatever color to your liking that you would like. But they already have a lot of different colors on their site. They have a website, they have an Etsy shop, as well as a Facebook and Instagram account. So I definitely had to support them again since I love the shirt so much. I've had this short from them for maybe about a few months now. And I decided to hit them up for another one because, like I said, this is my go-to shirt. I just left from a flight doing a vacation to California and Vegas, and I hit them up to actually get another one of these shirts, but in a different color for my plane ride. That's just how comfortable these shirts are. It literally reminds you of wearing pajamas or something. I don't know. It's just, man, it just frees so flowly on your body. This is not a paid video, review, promotion, none of that. I just literally love this designer. This is his design right here. So he has this on pretty much everything that comes out, and he also does Mexicano shirts and stuff. His wife is a makeup artist, so if you guys are located or going to the Atlanta area and need some makeup, hit her up as well. Beautiful couple, just love them. But this is my package. I think my order was sent off Thursday, and I got it in today. I literally just got off of vacation last night. I was so excited when I got an alert saying that my package will be in today. So we're gonna go ahead and get into it so you guys can see all of this stuff that I got. So dope. I haven't even opened it up yet. Look, it is packaged so cute. Look at that packaging. Tell me that is not dope. This color is so dope. This color is so dope. It's actually brighter than what you guys can see. Dope color. I also got this shirt here. I am going to include pictures as well as me in the outfit once I get it open and get everything done here. This is a t-shirt. That color is so beautiful. Guys, these colors are nothing to joke about. Like, I can't even begin to think about what this is that I ordered, but I think this is just a black crop top, if I'm not mistaken. And I got this canvas. This is so dope and beautiful. To me, this says so much. I had no idea I was getting this in my order. Shout out to you for this. This is dope. Oh my gosh, I am definitely going to frame this and hang this up. I don't even know if I am going to frame it. That is how dope this is. Guys, leave a comment. Let me know what this canvas reads to you. What does it say to you? It says so much to me. Like, that is so beautiful. It's making me teary-eyed how beautiful that is. That is definitely a dope gift. Let me go ahead and open up some of these so y'all can see why I love this designer and company so much. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited about this shirt. Like I said, this shirt right here is the same one that I have on right here. Do y'all see that? Look how dope this crop top is, y'all. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love. It fits so beautiful too. I get mine in a size small. Wow. Now this one here, this is their vintage look here. I do love the vintage look, but I wanted to try their other style, which is a more, as you can see, it's a big, bright, vibrant, just print on it. But I love the vintage look. I love this one as well. Yes. And including in their packages, they put these in here. It's always a little note card. This one here says, like the heavens, weeping nurtures growth. Her chrism tears release her pain while strengthening, her resolve. Beautiful. Thank you so much. Once again, shout out to Dnma Clothing. Y'all, I'm so tongue-tied. I think it's because I did so much streaming on my vacation. But a girl had fun. I got this dope crop top, y'all. Oh my gosh, it smells so good too. Look at this crop top. You can open it up more or you can close it all the way. It's long sleeve, but the material is bomb. I love that material. Look how vibrant and bright this is. Oh my gosh. Dope is not the word for this. Like, I don't know what to say. I would definitely continue shopping with them. I can't wait to see what else they have. I heard that there may be t-shirt dresses and other stuff too, but I'm not sure. And like I said, each one comes in with a little card that says something so nice and sweet. It's just so dope. Oh, and then I have just a basic tee. It's just a basic tee, but it's so comfortable and cute. I was just like, I need something like that. It is so dope. I think the image on it when it comes to their company says so much. So it's definitely something that I wanted to support. Like, I don't know, just looking into the eyes of the woman that's on their image, just, I don't know, it just does something to you. And they have it packaged so nice. It's folded neatly. Nothing is wrinkled even after being all folded up like this. Like, this is just so dope. And then I have this black crop top here. Just a basic black crop top. All because I just, like I said, love these shirts here. So I got something that doesn't have an image on it that I can just throw on just for whatever. But these are my pieces from Dnma Clothing. I am so satisfied. I am definitely not let down when it comes to anything. I can't wait to wear this one. But I am definitely not let down when it comes to something from them. Shout out to you. I am definitely going to have all of their links in the description. Guys, leave a comment. Thumbs this video up if you like it. The clothing. Let me know if you reach out to them and decide to support them on their business. Whether it's makeup or whether it is buying some type of clothing. But thank you guys so much. I'm so glad to be back off of vacation so that I can make more videos for you all. I miss you. Thank you so much for the love. Thank you so much for the support, for the comments. I get inboxes like crazy from people letting me know how great of a job I'm doing. I really thank y'all for that. This makes me want to continue doing it. Maybe it's helping people. Not sure. But guys, once again, follow me on my social media sites. They will be in the description as well. Support this business. As well as, just so you guys know, this is a Black-owned company. I'm all for that. I support anybody anyway, but I'm all for a beautiful Black-owned company. And then they are a married couple. Been married for a long time, for years, guys. So check them out. You will see all kind of stuff on their pages as well. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful company. I love them. Thank you so much for my attire. Oh, I'm showing too much, guys. All right, well, until next video, thank you guys once again. Bye.